Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. First of all, I would like to express my special thanks to Mrs. Dewi who has given me a good opportunity to deliver my speak in front of you. Let me introduce myself. My name is Molia Risnawati. In this occasion, my friends and I will present the result of our work. Before I start this presentation, let me introduce my friends. And my friends are Ralanggit Setri Pinanggih, Ahmad Rafli Gimnastiar, Lutfi Nur Latifah, Chandra Yoga Aditama, Maura Cindy Bunaya Prima, Melvin Noviza Oktavia, Aji Ferdiansyah, Melikus Watun Hasanah, Akmal Amirul Faizi, and the last Mustaqorin Azizil. The title of our presentation is Students' Knowledge of Islamic Religious Texts, Students about Theory of Human Origin, Student Knowledge of Islamic Religious Texts, Students about Theory of Human Origin. Introduction. Biological evolution is the change over time in one or more inherited traits found in a population of organisms. Evolution can only occur when there are variation in heredity in the population.
The theory of evolution that was coined by Darwin caused tremendous excitement in the Western world a century ago because it contradicted the story of the creation of man and the universe that was held by society at the time. The controversial theory of evolution was described by Darwin in his book, while the religious belief that Prophet Adam was the first human being directly created by God in its present form without going through evolution. This study aimed to determine the knowledge of students majoring in biology and Islamic education about the origin of human.
Research method. 1. Research use qualitative research. 2. Using a phenome approach. 3. The information of this study were studied majoring in biology and Islamic religious education. 4. Collection techniques in the form of interview and documentation. Next. Research and result and discussion. The result of this study indicate that biology students and students of religious education know the origin of human in science and religion.
Knowledge of biology students in terms of science state that human origin comes from a common ancestor with apes. The origin of human from preference living things. Will from a religion perspective, it states that the origin of human from the land. The knowledge of religion education studied in terms of science state that the origin of human comes from a common ancestor with apes. The origin of human comes from preference human. The origin of human comes from preference living beings.
Evolution is a science that has drawn criticism to that. The views of the pros and cons of following the course of evolution and its development. Daniel and the search of scientific evidence of the superficiality of the theory proposed by Darwin emerged from various parts of the world, especially by religionists concerning science. Wallace, who also created a theory of natural selection that was uh, different from Darwin's refuse to apply the theory of natural selection to human. Wallace considered human to intelligent, civilized, and sophisticated to be a product of universal selection. According to Wallace, the ability of Homo sapiens is not the result of natural selection, but the interference of a supernatural things that makes modern human so special.
Harun Yahya, in his work The Collapse of the Theory of Evolution, Harun Yahya wrote this based on the fossil record. If Darwin's theory was correct, then there should have been a transitional species during the period of change that were mentioned to be so long as 200 of years. But in fact, all the fossil evidence is what is found actually provides evidence that life on this earth suddenly excited and the complete condition on its own, not mixing between species as evidence of transition. If the theory of evolution was true, then there should be found transitional living things like fish, half reptiles, and other from yes.
Cuvier has established the science of comparative anatomy and paleontology. Paleontology is the study of animal, human, and plant fossils. Cuvier has argued that the anatomical features that distinguish groups of animals prove that species have never changed since the time of occurrence. Each species is so perfectly functionally and structurally that is the impossible to withstand significant change.
Evolution is just a theory and not a fact. Critics of evolution often emphasize that evolution is just a theory. Evolution itself has not been proven, nor is evolution an opinion and not fact or evidence. Hagedorn defines theory as the idea of theoretical thinking, which they define as determining how and why variables and relationship statements can relate to one another. Theory is an explanation or model that can make testable prediction. Examples of evolution as a theory are the modern synthesis of Darwin's natural selection and Mendel's inheritance. As with scientific theory, modern synthesis is constantly being debated, tested, and improved by scientists.
Al-Quran say, "Walk on the face of the air, then notice how Allah created man from the beginning, then Allah made him once again. Verily Allah has power over all things." Al-Ankabut verse 20. Allah speak in Al-Ma'idah, say, "Will I tell you about those people whose vagrancy is worse than at the sight of Allah, namely those who are cursed and agree with Allah. Among them there are who are mad, atheists, and people who worship take out. They are in a worse place and more astray from the strange path. Al-Ma'idah verse 16.
People, if you are in doubt about the resonation from the grave, then now I did. We have made you from the ground. The from a drop the cement, then from a scald of bolt, then from a lamb flesh which is perfect imperfect, so that we explain to you and we determine in the womb what we want until appointed time the we send you out as babies. Then gradually you come to maturity, and among you some are tried, and there are is among you are have lengthened your age until have become senile, so that he will not know anything that's perfectional, and you see that the earth is dry. Then when we have sent water, ether live in be fortnine and grow all of beautiful plants. Al Quran Al Hajj 22:5. Bible Genesis 1:1. In the beginning God created the heavens and the earth. Genesis 1:31. God declared that his creation was very good. Genesis 1:36. God said, let us make man in their image and likeness, so that they may have dominion over the fish of sea and the birds of the air and over the livestock and over all the earth and over all creeping things on the earth.
Conclusion. Biology student and student of Islamic religion education have almost the same knowledge of human origin in terms of science and religion, because students of Islamic religion education have experienced learning biology while studying in senior high school.
Now, presentation from our group. I say thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.